In this example, we've got 97 hundredths plus 25 and 9 tenths. Because we're adding with decimals, the most important thing to do is to make sure that we line up our decimal points. So let's start by writing in our first number. Next, we'll write in the second number, but we have to use our first decimal point as a guide for our second decimal point. So what I like to do is I like to start by putting the decimal point first. Next, I'll write in any values to the left of the decimal point, one at a time. So I'll put this 5 directly under this 0, and this 2 right next to this 5. Then we can write in any numbers to the right of the decimal point. So let's write this 9 directly under this 9. And if there are any blank spaces like you see here, we can use zeros as placeholders. So we'll put a 0 under this 7 and a 0 on top of this 2. Next, we'll put in our addition symbol, underline everything, and get to work, starting from the right column. And just a brief reminder, the reason why it's so important to line up the decimal point is because when we do that, we're actually lining up our place values in the correct column. 7 plus 0 is 7. 9 plus 9 is 18. We'll bring down the 8 and carry the 1. Don't forget to bring down the decimal point. 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 5 is 6. And 0 plus 2 is 2. Making our final answer 26 and 87 hundredths, more commonly read as 26.87.